Alright, YouTube. It's day 3. Renovations of this dang trailer. It's been drying for 3 days. Seems airtight. Now we're going to be doing some of this jazzy stuff. So let's get it. So we did so great up until this point, but we're going to keep going. We got this little bit of run here left to do, and then we're going to come back and fix it. Yeah. Got a good storm. Well, a little storm. Not a bad storm. But enough of a storm to see if we got some leaks after just a couple hours of doing it. So we shall see. It's dry. Didn't notice this earlier when I came in, but that's only coming from here. So we're all right here. That's a simple fix. This is dry. Oh, well, that's why we need the weather sealing. Okay. All that's dry. I know we had a leak big time coming from up here, but boy, we are good to go. So it's just this little thing we gotta take care of right there. But tune in for next weekend when we do phase 2.